runway turbulence, runway well out of Boeing, traffic 14 mile final, heavy Boeing 767. American 2317, contact departure, good day.
American 2317, contact.
American 2307 is inbound to visual to right.
American 2307, Miami Tower, American 2307 Heavy, Miami Tower, runway right for the land, traffic, Airbus 319 holding in position.
Clear land 8 right, American 2307 Heavy. Next American 16.
2750 Miami Tower, caution turbulence, heavy Airbus on a short final, runway 89er, clear to land.
Clear to land 9, American 2750.
Good day.
Good night.
Speedbird 209, goodbye, left
209 Heavy, Miami Tower, caution turbulence, heavy Airbus on short final, runway 89er, clear to land, traffic will land runway 12 prior to your arrival.
Okay, Speedbird 209, clear line 09, and we can't do line 09.
Speedbird 209 Heavy, full length, runway 9er, clear to land.
Clear line 09.
American 1612.
American 1293, traffic holding in position, cross runway right, then contact ground point negative. I'm 8091 Heavy, contact departure, good day.
Good day, 8091 Heavy.
Parking?
West of you.
9583, turn left heading 360.
Left 360, you're going to have 583.
The Eastern use this frequency, use caution for the heavy Boeing 767 at Tango.
BS Sierra, Western you thank you, 97.
American 2750, expect minimal time on the runway.
American 2750.
American 915, Miami Tower, runway right on a Boeing, traffic 5 mile final, heavy Boeing 767.
Line up on Wade, runway 8 right, American 915.
12, American 1028.
American 1028, traffic on Quebec gives way to you. United 1923, turn left at the next intersection, and at Tango give way to the heavy Boeing 767.
Okay, left at Sierra, and we'll give way to the heavy at Tango, United 1923.
209 Steeper, maintain slowest practical airspeed, traffic on 1.5 mile final.
Speedbird 209, will go.
Emperor 2512, cross runway 12, contact ground 127.5, traffic gives way to you, join Quebec.
Here to cross runway 12 and 127, this one, number 2512, thank you.
129 Kilo Charlie, affirmative.
That's Jet 573, 50,
Jet 573, Miami approach on depart heavy heading 310, expect vectors runway 10 left, Fort Lauderdale.
7310,
Jet 573, you can make that request to the next controller. Back 805 Julie Lima, Miami approach, roger.
American 1619, contact departure, good day.
Over to departure, good day, American 1619.
Zero, Dr. Orley, and from 1000, United 583.
United 583 from the...
2000, United 583.
Heavy departure, American 1619, 2000, climbing 5000.
American 1619, Miami departure, radar contact, climb maintain 7000.
I maintain 7000, radar contact, American 1619.
Jet 573, depart heavy heading 310.
Miami approach, good evening, sir.
097 Heavy, Super Miami Tower, runway 12, clear land, traffic will hold position, runway 9er.
The land, 12, robot, the landed.
Proceed via Victor and hold to the runway 12.
Okay, Victor, hold short 12, American 2750.
10,000, calculate now.
American 1619, turn left heading 340.
Left turn 340, American 1619.
Flight shed 573, contact approach 133.77. There are 9 Kilo Charlie, contact Miami Center 132.45.
132.45, Kilo Charlie.
Mile final, and then ground 121.20 from the other side.
12, American 2750, Arizona.
Bird 209 Super, proceed via Tango uniform, hold short of runway 12, remain at this frequency.
Tower runway, roll out of Boyd.
9.365, 8 right, 9 up and away.
5 Juliet Lima, turn left heading 180.
Left turn, 180, 5 Juliet.
37 will hold short of the intersection.
American 1391 is with you on the ILS side.
American 1391 Miami Tower, runway 9 clear to land, caution weight turbulence, last arrival was a Super Airbus 380, runway 9 clear to land, traffic landing runway 12, Boeing 737 will hold short of the intersection.
And just for information, roll past 97 heavy, unable lateral.
Rover 97 heavy, roger.
American 1407, we're about 1 out for Vesco for visual 12.
American 1407 Miami Tower, caution weight turbulence, heavy Boeing 787 on short final, runway 12, clear to land, hold short, runway 9er.